Have you guys ever heard the creators like Kami using a unique name sound like Kami? And the main part of their edit, it sounds clean and clear and make their content more recognizable. Now the best part, you can also create the similar sound effects by using a simple AI within a minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you the complete process, how you will generate the voice, how you will add it into the CapCut, and how you will sync it according to the beats. So let's get started. So this is the fish audio. The link is in the description. As you click on it, you will go and move on to this interface, log in over here. And if you scroll down, you will get a lot of voices. We will use the Super Mario voice. Let's check it out.
Choose your fighter. Mario, Link, Samus.
So the editors and the Kami use this voice. You can also select it from here. So let's click on it. And yes, we have selected the audio. Now you have to type your name and select. So let's delete out this and write Z, comma, E, comma, D, comma, I, comma, T. Then you have to add your complete name. So in the bracket like this, Z added. Okay, like this. So first it will generate the alphabets, then it will generate the whole name.
E-D-I-T.
Now, as you saw that it has generated all of this and it's looking very much great. So you can just click on it and download it from here. But let's try one more thing. We will try to make one more. So let's type Alex and complete Alex like this and generate, and there you go. It will generate in just a jiffy.
L-E-X. Alex.
Now, as you saw, this was very much simple. Now, let's just download it and use it in the CapCut. Now, you have generated the audio and although downloaded it. But now it's time to move towards CapCut to sync it according to the beat. First, as you all know that we have created a new project, and in this, I have already adjusted the clips and the beats. So, you also have to do a similar thing. Make sure to add the beats and the clips according to the beat. Now, these are the main part because on these speeds, you will add the audio. Okay. So, after adjusting and adding the beat, you have to import the audio.
Z-E-D-I-T. Z-editing.
Now, as you saw that it is saying this. So, now you just have to split out each character like Z, Z, E, D, I, D. So, separate out each one of them and add it on the beat. Like on the first beat, just add the Z sound. Then on the next, E, and on the next character that you have for that. So after that, you will look something like this. Then you just have to duplicate these and again. So it will look something like this. But after this, it's time to add the text. So the text will be similar. You just have to enter the text, go into the font, select any font that you want. Over here, I'm just selecting a random one. So first, I will write the Z and adjust it according to the beat. Then duplicate it, drag it right side. Then second character, E. Then again duplicate it and again add all the characters of your edit. Okay, that's so easy, I know. So now just listen to this.
Z-E-D-T.
Now it's getting
Z-editing.
pretty much good, and you just have to do the similar thing again and again to get the same clip, same audio, and all those same character and the text. It's very simple than you think. And that's all how you can make this sound effects from using the fish audio and the CapCut. And I hope that you guys have learned something new and you will try to make this type of edits. And I hope that if you make those, you make sure to mention me over there. And if you guys like this video, make sure to comment, share, and subscribe. Although, if you have any questions, you can comment down below. I will also help you there. Till then, we'll meet in the next video and peace out.